Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be trading on the Pocket Option platform and I'll show you guys how to make profits of up to $200 per day with an initial capital of just $20. I will use a 1-minute expiry time for each trade. Next, I will use TurboTrend software as a tool to analyze market movements. I use Pocket Option Broker because that is the broker I am currently using. The signal duration I chose was 1 minute to match the trading duration I use. Okay, now it's time to start making purchases according to the signals. So guys, I just opened a buy position according to the signal given by TurboTrend software. For those of you who are interested and want to try TurboTrend software, please check the description of this video. There you will find a link to connect directly with us, but I need to emphasize, I never force or recommend any software in trading activities. All decisions are entirely in your hands. Use personal analysis and consideration before starting. This TurboTrend software utilizes 26 indicators configured with special settings to generate accurate signals. As you can see here, out of the 26 indicators used, 14 of them are showing a buy signal. Okay, now let's see the results. And yes, my first trade went very well. Now, let's move on to the next trade. Every time I make a trade, I will choose a different market. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you can judge whether this software is effective or not. Okay, guys, that was my trade today. Thanks for watching. My balance is now $200 and TurboTrend software has really helped me in trading. If you are interested in trying it, you can see for yourself how it works. Remember, it is all up to you, so make sure to do your research before you start. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you won't miss my latest updates and tips. See you in the next video.